Hey everyone, it's Marco here from Stellar Forge Mining. I just wanted to create this quick little video on how you can create a repair ticket through Bitmain. I know we do have an article on how to create that, but I'd like to accompany that with the video since some people tend to do better with videos. I know I prefer it as well. So something you'll need before this tutorial is you'll need to go ahead and create a Bitmain account through their main page, which it'll just lead you in there if you don't have one already. But if you do, at this point, assuming that you already have an account, we'll just go ahead and get started. So right here from the main page, what you want to do is go under customer support, and in the after sale support section, you want to go to repair request. You can ignore this message here for now. You want to make sure you have apply for repair selected, then delivery, and then the tracking number. You might or might not already have this. If you don't have the tracking number, you can request one from our help desk, or you can make a shipping label yourself and get that sent over to us through the help desk. However, in this case, I'll already have that made. And if you don't have a tracking number, I'll show you how you will go ahead and let us know which facility you want to send it to. Right after you provide your tracking information, you want to go ahead and hit type unit and then item. You want to go ahead and select whichever model your unit is. We'll go ahead and go for the S19 141 terahash model for now. Quantity will be 1. And then uploading a log is optional. Same thing with providing a device serial number. Remark, this is optional, but you can go ahead and provide one. Most common issue that I see is maybe like a 0 ASICs issue, so I'll go ahead and put that in there. 0 ASICs. Alright, and then once you have your device added, in the event that you don't know which facility you want to send it to, you do have a list right here to choose from. This will only show up once you've provided your device information, just because some facilities, they only work on specific machines. In the event that you do need a tracking number to get to this page right here, you can just put in something random and it'll count it. But just go ahead and let us know, or let the help desk know that you want to send it to, North Dakota, for example. And then we can go ahead and get that created for you. Any cost from the shipping can be, those ones can go into your invoice. So we can make it easy for you. And then the return logistics, this is really up to Bitmain. However, since we picked UPS, we'll go ahead and pick UPS. This is a UPS tracking after all. Remark, it did ask this earlier, but we'll leave this empty for now. And then last thing you need to select is, I have read and agreed to the after sales service terms. I won't be going through that in this video, but you can read that if you'd like to once you're on this section. We'll go ahead and hit submit, and then next you're gonna hit view ticket details, and then we're gonna go ahead and print this information out right here. You'll need to send this to the technician that's helping you out via help desk or fresh desk, wherever it is you're being helped on. So hit confirm, and then you'll go ahead and hit that, save that as a PDF, and then just forward that over to us so that we can include that into the packaging of the unit. And then that's it. I hope this video helped you out. That's everything. Bye.